Top 3 nutrients to clear up age spots. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to clear up those pesky age spots. Age spots, also known as liver spots or solar lentigines, can be a nuisance as we get older. But did you know that certain nutrients can help fade these spots and give you clearer skin? Stick around as we uncover the top 3 nutrients that can help you achieve a more even complexion. First, let's talk about what age spots are. Age spots are flat, brown, gray, or black spots on the skin. They usually appear on areas exposed to the sun, like the face, hands, shoulders, and arms. These spots are caused by an excess production of melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. Over time, sun exposure and aging can cause melanin to clump together, forming these noticeable spots. Our first nutrient is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that's crucial for skin health. It helps reduce age spots by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage skin cells. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, which helps keep your skin firm and smooth. Additionally, it brightens your skin by inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase, which is responsible for melanin production. You can find vitamin C in many delicious foods. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich sources. Berries, such as strawberries and blueberries, are also packed with vitamin C. Don't forget about leafy greens like kale and spinach. If you prefer supplements, vitamin C tablets are widely available. Topical treatments like serums and creams containing vitamin C can also be effective when applied directly to age spots. Next up is vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that plays a vital role in skin health. It helps fade age spots by protecting your skin from oxidative stress and promoting skin repair. Vitamin E also enhances the effectiveness of other antioxidants, like vitamin C, making them work even better. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli are also good sources. Plant oils like sunflower and safflower oil provide a healthy dose of vitamin E. For those looking for supplements, vitamin E capsules are available. Topical treatments, like creams containing vitamin E, can be applied to the skin to target age spots directly. Our third nutrient is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, which means your body converts it into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Beta-carotene helps reduce age spots by protecting your skin from UV damage, one of the main causes of age spots. You can get beta-carotene from a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Carrots and sweet potatoes are excellent sources. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are also rich in beta-carotene. If you prefer supplements, beta-carotene capsules are an option. Combining these 3 nutrients, vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, can give you the best results. They work together to enhance each other's effects, providing comprehensive skin protection and repair. To incorporate these nutrients into your diet, aim for a balanced and colorful plate. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds in your meals. And don't forget, most of these nutrients come in a supplement form as well. This way, you'll get a good mix of these powerful antioxidants. In addition to incorporating these nutrients, there are other lifestyle changes that can help manage age spots. Sun protection is crucial. Always wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 when you're outside, even on cloudy days. A regular skincare routine that includes gentle cleansing and moisturizing can also make a big difference. Staying hydrated and eating a healthy diet rich in antioxidants will support your skin from the inside out. If you're looking for professional treatments, there are options available. Dermatological procedures like laser therapy, chemical peels, and microdermabrasion can help reduce the appearance of age spots. Over-the-counter creams containing ingredients like hydroquinone, retinoids, and alpha-hydroxy acids can also be effective. To wrap up, let's recap the top 3 nutrients that can help clear up age spots: vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet and skincare routine, you can achieve a more even and radiant complexion. Don't forget to protect your skin from the sun and maintain a healthy lifestyle for the best results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you next time!